everyone, this is your name tubing for your highlight. This is Elise. Today, I'd like to introduce our new product to you. Look, this is a small water pile. We call it glass bubble. The height is about 14 cm. It is smaller than other water pile, so you can take it everywhere. It is foldable. We have 7 colors for your choice. This one is green, dark green, brown, dark blue, black, gray, and purple. I had put some water into it. Next, I'll show you how funny it is. Do you like it? If you like our video, you can follow our channel. If you want to buy, you can click our link. Thank you. See you next time.